Good evening, Center County. I'm student meteorologist Ryan Belz here with your CNET forecast for today, Thursday, February 21st. We're going to begin off our forecast this evening, taking a look at our live webcam overlooking the Penn State campus on top of the Walker Building. And we can see that the current conditions out there, temperature around 30 degrees with partly cloudy skies. It feels like 20 degrees out there with that northwest-northwest wind at about 14 miles an hour, is making it feel a little brisk out there. So do bundle up if you're headed out there, because that wind is very breezy out there. We're now going to take a look at temperatures across the area, and we can see that there is a temperature around 30 degrees in Boalsburg, 25 in Coffin Rock, 27 in Stormstown, and out in the Kennedy Preserve it's 26 degrees. Taking a wider view of the entire Commonwealth, we can see temperature near 19 degrees in Johnstown, 30 degrees in State College, 33 in Williamsport, and 37 degrees down in Philadelphia. As we take a look at our feel-like temperatures, because that wind is making it feel chillier than it actually is out there, feels like 23 degrees in Harrisburg, 24 in Williamsport, 20 in State College, 4 degrees in Johnstown. That's quite chilly. 12 degrees in Franklin, and also 12 degrees up in Erie. So it's quite chilly across the Commonwealth this afternoon and early evening hours. As we take a look at the Doppler radar over the last few hours, we can see that earlier today there were some scattered snow showers throughout the state, nothing too major, but throughout the day they have dissipated and we've been left with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies today. We're going to take a look at our eye in the future forecast starting it around today around 3 p.m. We can see that there is a high pressure that was dominating our weather for today, but that'll move out of the area for tomorrow and into the early weekend, and we can see this mixed precipitation will be moving into our area. By Friday 1 p.m. we can see it's already starting to enter western parts of the state. And throughout the day on Friday, stopping the clock around Friday 7:30 in the evening, we can see that the rain, snow, sleet mix is all going to be throughout the area. Nothing too major, but do be careful if you're headed out Friday and into Saturday. As we can see through Friday evening, Saturday morning, there's still scattered snow showers and mixed precipitation throughout the Commonwealth. And then finally advancing it through Saturday afternoon around 2:30, it starts to exit. And by Saturday evening and early Sunday morning, it's out of our neck of the woods. And because of that wintry mixed precipitation that will be affecting the area tomorrow and Saturday, the National Weather Service has just issued a winter weather advisory for the Center County region and western portions of the state from 11 a.m. Friday until 10 a.m. on Saturday. So do be careful if you're headed out. But for this evening, let's take a look at our forecast. It's going to be increasing clouds out there this evening, a temperature around 18 degrees, and the winds will start to die down this evening with only winds about 5 to 8 miles an hour. Your forecast for tomorrow looks like the chance of wintry mixed precipitation starting in the early afternoon hours. Before that, looks like cloudy conditions. Temperature near 30 degrees tomorrow, and again, the winds will calm down. After the last few days, they've been quite breezy with only a wind around 5 to 8 miles an hour. And finally, taking a look at our 7-day forecast, we can see the wintry mixed precipitation for the next few days. Temperatures around 30 tomorrow and 38 on Saturday. Before the end of your weekend and the beginning of your work week next week, it looks like partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies and a temperature in the upper 30s, lower 40s. And then looking ahead to the beginning and middle of next week, looks like that chance of mixed precipitation with some rain and snow begins to move back into the area with temperatures in the low 40s. I'd like to thank you for tuning in and have a great evening.